Namaste, my name is Yam.
Namaste, I'm Marco.
And together we have created Soulinunity.
Soulinunity is a unique divine blend of Yoga Qi Gong meditations.
We also use elements of dance, acro yoga and Thai massage and use all of those practices in our classes.
We are happy and blessed to announce another Soul Awakening retreat here at beautiful ASHIYANA from the 24th of November till the 1st of December 2019.
We will take you on a journey through each of the chakras with our morning and afternoon practices specially designed to go deeper into the healing power and wisdom of each chakra.
We use also affirmations, meditations and visualizations to open up each chakra even more.
We would love to invite you just to come on this retreat as a yoga holiday, just to go through that healing journey of the chakras. Or if you are a 200-hour yoga teacher, you could come and add 50 hours continuing education.
So if you are that yoga teacher who want to have the 50-hour continuing education, we have designed in the afternoons lectures to go even deeper into the theory of each chakra.
You will hear now from some of the students who just came and joined us on the retreat, and we would love to invite you, and we look forward to welcoming you here in India, in ASHIYANA, for our next Soul Awakening Journey Through the Chakras retreat.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Hi, I'm Zoe. I've come from London to have a fantastic week in Goa on a yoga retreat. The most amazing experience, really playful. I highly recommend it.
Hello, I'm ERIKA. I'm Italian, I'm based in Brussels. I was looking for myself. I start my journey at home and I decided to come to Goa to share this experience, amazing experience with other people. I met Yam and Marco together with other 6 wonderful souls. Enjoy it very much. I will go back full of lights. I highly recommend it. Come to Goa, come to this Soul Awakening via the 7 chakras.
Hannah, I live in London. This is my first time in Goa and I've had the most amazing week with amazing people. Yam and Marco are fantastic and I would highly recommend to anybody with stress in their life, who needs a bit of peace and quiet and needs to find themselves. Come, you'll love it.